Okay, so for practice problem 3, same thing. We're solving by graphing. Line 1, our y-intercept is -2, and our slope is +5/2, which means up and right. So let's go to -2, put it on the graph. Then we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and to the right 1, 2. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to the right 1, 2. And I'm going to go down and to the left also, just to make sure I have enough points. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and to the left 2. I just want to make sure I can easily see the point of intersection. So there's my line. Make sure you have arrows. Now we're going to graph the second line in a different color. It does need to be a different color. And our y-intercept this time is +2, which is up here. And our slope is 1/2, so we're going up and to the right. Up 1, we can see it right there, up 1. So I don't have to put that many points for this one. My solution is 2, 3. So on the next slide, let's check that. So I'm going to write my solution, remind myself that 2 is my x and 3 is my y. So when I plug this in, instead of y, I put a 3. And then I have 5/2, and then for x, it's 2, but I'm going to make it a fraction since I'm multiplying it by a fraction. Then I need to subtract 2. So let's see. The 2's divide out. So I'm left with just 5 minus 2. I get 3 equals 3. So it works for the first equation. Now we need to check the second one. Again, instead of y, it's a 3. I have 1/2 times x, which is 2. I'm going to make it a fraction. Half of 2 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So this one also checks out. So yes, I can box it. Final answer is 2, 3. All right, last practice problem. Let's go ahead and get our y-intercept, which is +1. Put it on the graph right here. Slope, 1/2. That means up and to the right. Up 1, right 2, point. Up 1, right 2, point. I'm going to put a lot so I can clearly see my line of intersection. I'm also going to go down and to the left just in case. That should be enough. Connect it. Arrows. Line 2, different color. Y-intercept, -2. Down here. Our slope is 2. Make it a fraction, put it over 1. So that's up and to the right. So up 2, right 1, up 2. There's the point of intersection right there. Connect it. Arrows. Solution is 2, 2, I think. Let's go to the next slide and check. This is x and this is y. So for the first one, instead of a y, I put a 2 in its place. 1/2 times x, which is also 2. And then we're going to add 1 to that. Half of 2 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the first equation checks out. Let's see the second one. Y is 2. X is also 2. I don't have to make it a fraction this time, see? And we get 4 minus 2, which is 2. Both check out, so the solution is in fact 2, 2. That is it. Time for your exit ticket.